Hey, how's it going, everybody? So if you kept up with the channel in the last year and a half, you see that I finally got my dream shop. So now it's time for
our dream house.
Okay, everybody, so the first thing we did was I staked out the whole entire footprint of the house. Then I came back and measured 3 feet all the way around, away from where the corner of the house is, to dig the foundation. So now, since it's all laid out, it's time to dig. Okay, so as you can see, we got the basement dug. Luckily for us, my father-in-law and brother-in-law have the equipment and the know-how to dig out a basement, so we didn't have to pay anyone. So it actually only cost us like a case of water and $16 at the Taco Bell. Doing that has helped us save a lot more money, because it would have probably cost us around $5,000 to maybe $10,000 if we had to hire someone to do this. So getting it done for basically nothing is awesome in the long run of the construction loan and construction money process. But the whole digging everything out, I don't think I talked about it at all, but my brother-in-law had a laser that he would shoot grade. So basically that was my job. So I would stand in there and hold the laser all over the place to tell him if it needed to go higher or lower once we got it mostly dug out and trying to flatten it. So besides that, I was just there more for moral support, I guess, while they did the digging. So the next thing to do is the concrete for the foundation. Okay, so as you can see, we are done more than the video showing by now, just because things have gone so fast. The video just got kind of postponed because I was trying to get as much done as quick as possible. So since we're self-contracting, me and my wife are technically the general contractors, and we subcontracted to another contractor to get us to the dried in stage. My whole thing was trying to get someone that could do my concrete and my framing all in one, so I wasn't having to wait in between people. So the concrete turned out awesome. Again, we have a full basement and a safe room, as you've seen there. The contractor that we hired was Steve Nunley from Steeden Preferred Properties. Here's his card right here. He is in the, I guess, North Georgia area. So if you're looking to build a house or do a remodel, check him out, especially if you want things done in a timely manner, because I think from once we finished digging, we had it, we had all the concrete done in like a week. And then I think it took us another month to get it completely framed up. So didn't take that long technically for, all the work we had to do. So next part is framing. Going ahead and forewarn you, I did not video as much for the framing. I was on the phone a lot trying to get with lumber and talk to 84 Lumber and trying to get things going and setting up HVAC and everything else. So I didn't get as much footage of the framing, but I'll show you what I got. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to talk about this. As you saw, we were putting it in. This beam up in the vault. Originally, we weren't going to do a vault. So to do the vault, we had to put a doubled up LVL that's 2 feet tall or whatever. It's 32 feet long. And then that way all my 2x10 rafters can attach to it. So that thing was heavy. I did help the guys get it up in the garage, as you saw. And then once they got up there, they were on their own picking it up and putting it in. But that thing is crazy, and it's about 19 feet to the bottom of it from the floor. So it is kind of windy, so hopefully you can hear me, and I'll walk this way while I talk so you can see it. But again, I didn't get all the framing, nor did I get the roofers videoed. My family was on vacation during that week, and I was here running around like crazy trying to get things done, and I just forgot to do a lot of recording. But the house is all framed up, siding and roof. I'll show you some pictures right here of where I tried to do the siding. I was going to do the part around the garage. I did all the fascia, and it was working out. I think I did a great job, but time wise it was going to take me forever. So me and my wife decided to find some people to do the siding, and they got done in like a week and a half. So turned out in the long run a way better option to do that. But this is it. We still got to paint the outside, and I put posts in the front, but I'll give you a little walk around and show you what it looks like and show you some of the other videos that are to come that I've already videoed, but I just haven't posted yet. So we did go with this shake stuff, and I am glad that I got some other guys to do the siding, because this took them a while and I know it'd take me forever. But this is what I did, and just that by myself. I did have some help with my wife, but that stuff is heavy, and going up and down the ladder is a pain. But let me know what you think of this. I think this turned out really cool, and if we should paint it the same, this is going to be white, and this is going to be a color, and this is going to be a different color, or should we do the same color here and here with white trim right there? Let me know what you think. So hopefully you can hear me because it is kind of windy, but this is the back of the house. I built my back porch, which is about 9 feet by 32 feet. Me and my wife did record this, so that will be another video coming soon, as well as my Aquar water spigots, installing those. That's something else I'll have. But let's take a trip. So here's the inside, all open. As you can see, I'm wiring and everything. I got other videos coming out showing up how to wire up a room. I'm not a licensed electrician. My county and bank lets me do this myself because it is my house, but I did consult a lot of electricians who are probably tired of me calling them all the time how to do a lot of wiring. So I will show you that video coming up later for a room, as well as doing a 4-way switch in this hallway. So if that's something you want to see, definitely stick around. If you are interested in keeping up with this building process, and from now on, that was kind of just a quick-ish video of a rundown of getting us to dried in. From now on, I'm doing a lot of it myself. So it's going to be more like a This Old House type of videos, where every week I just show you how to, wire a room, install an Aquar, water spigot, build a back deck, tile a shower, hardwood floors, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, definitely think about subscribing so you don't miss out, and follow along with this build. Fingers crossed, we get in here by Christmas. That's the goal. So we got like 4-ish months. What is it? August, September, October, November. 4.5 if we can get in before Christmas. So maybe it happens. I don't know. But click this thumbs up button if you liked it. Also, share this video if you know anyone else that might think this is interesting and likes DIY home remodels and everything. I hope this little series for the rest of the year, pretty much I do, as well as other things I'm going to build, is real informative and entertaining, and shows, a bunch of different cool processes in building a home. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all next time.